Before the snow flies, snowplow operators across the state are brushing up on their driving skills.
Currently we have 94 students up here. This is the second week of training right now.
MnDOT is holding their annual snowplow operator training up at Camp Ripley this week. Rick Shimon is the maintenance training coordinator and says drivers work on a variety of things in a controlled environment.
We have 7 teams out there, and each one of the teams has 6 different rodeo exercises, everything from a serpentine and diminished clearance, blind side back, driver's side back, alley dock.
During the 2-week training session, drivers will go through classroom instruction, complete several obstacle courses, then hit the highway with an instructor.
And they start out just driving on the base, and then each road run kind of builds on the previous one, where once they become more skilled and proficient at operating the truck, then they're going out on the road, out on the highway out there.
Shimon says each course is designed to give drivers some basic techniques, and they will have more extensive training when they head back to their districts.
They have to learn their plow routes and understand the nuances of the route that they're going to be driving on. They have to learn how to load and unload their truck with the loaders that they're using for loading salt and sand, etc.
Shimon says they've been coming to Camp Ripley to train for the last 16 years, and it's all about making sure snowplow operators are comfortable when they clean your streets, highways, and neighborhoods. Reporting from Camp Ripley, Alex Swikowski, WJON.